Hello everyone, thank you once again for tuning into my YouTube channel, Save Green here. And we're going to talk about the true cost of financing a cellular phone. And the offers out there are really tempting. You almost want to just jump on it because the price is really cheap considering, for example, we're on AT&T's website, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 for $33.34 a month, zero interest for 30 months. Now, if you do the quick math, that's about $1,000. But what you don't realize here is, first, you do have to pay taxes on it. So even if you were to take 33.34 times 30, $1,000.20, and if you add here in Arizona 10% sales tax, that's easily another $100. So if you were to take $1,100 for the phone, yeah, it's cheap. It's $33.34 a month plus tax. So you would have to pay that tax on a monthly basis. I don't know if AT&T requires you to pay the taxes at once, but you're tied to a 30-month installment agreement. What's going to happen 30 months after you buy this brand new Galaxy Note 9? You're probably going to be out with a Galaxy Note 11 by then. So I know this sounds intriguing to you, but if you want to get off of this phone, once you already signed the agreement, I know they're not using contract anymore, but once you sign that agreement, you're tied for 30 months paying that price. Now, they will give you the latest and greatest phone then. They'll just add it to this price, or you would have to pay this off by then. Now, it doesn't stop there. So we're already, remember that, at $1,100. Now, on top of that, let's say you wanted to go with one line, the cheapest plan available, which is $50 a line, gives you unlimited talk, unlimited text with 3 gigabytes of data. And you see everything else they have: mobile hotspot, rollover data, calls to Mexico. $50. That's the cheapest one they got right now on their website. This might be different down the line, so if you're seeing this video years from now, we're doing a comparison today. So $50 a line. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to know that $50 times 30 months, because you're tied into those 30 months. So remember, we're at $1,100 already. So 30 months times 50, $1,500. Okay. So 1,500 plus 1,100, you're going to pay $2,600 for that phone and that plan for those 30 months. You can't get away from it. That's how it is. Now, the reason I bring that up is because there are options out there. And I know what catches the eye is what intrigues you to go ahead and buy this phone. You walk in the store, it's a great phone, etc. But you're going to be tied into $2,600 for 30 months. Here's the alternative. So you want the same phone, Galaxy Note 9, factory unlocked. This means you can connect it with whatever carrier you want with a US warranty. And here we go. So you wanted it brand new. Here it is. $869.52 with no tax. You can buy from this seller for the same amount with tax. And again, this is new, okay? So we're doing apples to apples. But let's say you don't mind buying it a few months old. Then you can go as low as $639. If you're not picky about a brand new phone and it's just a couple months old, you can buy it for $639. Okay? So $2,600 with most carriers. I mean, I just did an example with AT&T, but the same would apply to Verizon, Sprint, and T-Mobile, and just about everyone out there. I mean, these companies are out there because they're in it to make money. So $639. Now, if you look at Mint Mobile, which is using T-Mobile's signal, you would be at, for a 12-month plan for that same amount, or doing an apples to apples, that same plan with 3 gigs of data, $15 a month, which is equivalent to $180 a year. So let's say you did 2 years of that, right? We're going to go 180 times 2 years is 360. And let's say you wanted to add another 6-month plan with the same amount of data. Obviously, it's going to be a little bit more, but let's say just to do apples to apples, okay? We're going to add 120 to it. So just on service alone, you're going to be at $480. Now we're going to add the cost of the phone to that. And let's just say you wanted to be a little frugal and save yourself some money and go with a used phone but in a very good condition. $640 added to the 480. Okay, so 480 plus 640, $1,120. If we went back to the aT&T great deal that they have here, just the phone alone would cost you what it would cost you for the same 30 months, okay, or 2.5 years of service. The phone and the service with Mint Mobile is $1,120. Compared to aT&T, we were at $2,600. I mean, it's less than half. It's a no-brainer. I still don't get it why people go walk into stores and just buy these phones, and then a year later they want the latest and greatest phone, and they're stuck. They're stuck. They have to pay the phone off at the original contract price, which is this here, although a year later that same phone is worth $500. Well, you can buy it online for about half of it now, and maybe a year later it might be worth $400. You sell it for $400 and do the same thing all over again. You can buy a new phone on your own dime without getting into a contract or agreement, and the phone is yours. Get it unlocked. Connect it with whoever you want. You don't have to pay these big companies $2,600, $3,000. I mean, hey, you know what? If you're watching this video, let me know in the comments below how much you're paying and what kind of a contract they got you in, or a contract that you're trying to get out of. But folks, it's there. You have much better plans available to you and much better options than having to pay. I know this is intriguing that you're only going to pay $33 a month, but you're stuck doing that for 30 months. You're going to pay the same amount. Actually, there's the hidden interest right there, where you can go right now and buy the same exact phone for $300+ less. So believe it or not, even though they're telling you here requires 0 APR 30-month agreement or installment agreement, you're not paying 0 APR. You are actually paying interest. There's an old saying, nothing is for free. So they're not giving this to you for free because they're being nice. They're in the business to make money. This 0 APR, guess what? You are paying interest, because if you can get the same exact device for hundreds less, you're paying a premium as far as interest. So let me know in the comments below. Please check out the links I will provide to you, where you can also see the same thing that I'm seeing here, so you can see the different types of deals that are available to you. And let me know below what kind of a contract you're on now, or you've been in the past. I'm a victim too. I used to be in long-term contracts too, but I discovered Mint Mobile, and we've been very happy with their service. They're using T-Mobile's network, so it's a great, wonderful thing. So let me know below. Tell me what you think, what kind of a plan you've been on before. I'm interested in, I'm intrigued in listening to the story, so let me know, please. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, Save Green here, and also follow us on Twitter. Thank you.